Hi guys, welcome to Patio Dreams. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy method to make honeycomb patterns. So let's get started. And here we are using a key which is called a hex key. I think this is easily available in your home or you can buy this. This is a tool set and the name of this tool is hex key because both the ends of this key is hexagonal in shape. So this is very much similar to honeycomb pattern. So you just make the impressions with this hex key and you can easily make a honeycomb pattern. After making the impressions, carefully cut them through the edges and make it into a earring shape. And this is how my earring will look like. This is the honeycomb flower shape earring, and now I'm going to make the earring post. So this is the earring post. I'm going to cover this with the yellow color polymer clay, and I'm going to glue the honeycomb into that. And our earring post will look like this, and you can use liquid Sculpey or Sculpey bake and bond, anything to glue the pieces together. And now I'm going to use some glue and I'm going to attach the flower into the earring post, and this will be ready for baking. Bake it according to the instructions and your earrings will be ready within 30 minutes.